Hi guys, Matt, I got a new car for the Wi-Fi. Don't know yet, but this could be it. So I'll turn the camera. We found a Kia Sedona with only 61,000 miles on it. It's a 53 plate, so that's a 2003 for us friends in other countries. And I'm sat in it and it's been parked up for 10 years. The wife's trying to duck out the way, but oh bless her, she's opened the door. She hates having the camera on her. But it actually doesn't look too bad. These middle seats turn around and they've got lap straps on, so you could travel backwards if you really wanted to. Yes, it's a bit mucky, but there's no rot. It's got the extra roof bars on. It'll need 4 new tyres for a start because all length of time it's been stood. Yes, it's covered in mould, but there's nothing gone through. It has a tow bar, which is very important, and both tow bar sockets. I've just popped the bonnet. Yeah, I say them tyres are short. And yes, it's been a home for snails. So I don't know why it stopped recording then, but it did. I believe the fuel lines are alright, because I'll pump that a few times and I'll get fuel pressure. Which if it weren't dragging anything, it wouldn't do it. Yes, there's no battery on it. We thought it had got a water leak. But it run out of MOT when, darling? December 2009 it run out of MOT and it's been parked up since. But it had no water in it, but we'd literally popped a litre in it because I thought, alright, either radiator's gone or there's a steel pipe that runs across the bottom, and I thought that might have gone through. But the fact that it's only took a litre, I'm convinced that that's okay. But apart from the muck, it's a tidy enough car. All the doors open nicely. And again, that tyre is well and truly shot. It's cracking on the edge and cracking on the tread. And yes, the paintwork isn't desirable. But yeah, that was last time it had a tax disc. And it was the mother-in-law's. And she paid, before, she ran it for about 12 months and then parked it up. And she paid £4,000 for it. Now, at the time, I get why she paid £4,000 for it. But now it's been sat and we're not knowing what rubbers have rotted. And brake light, I've got a brake pedal, but I'm guessing that all the flexi hoses for the brakes and what have you will be on the last legs. But yeah, considering it's been parked all that time, it's tidy enough. And the main thing is, the seat is flat. It doesn't angle back. Yes, you can angle it back. But for my wife's hips, it's important. So, my wife's gonna sit in. And the main problem she has, because of her hips, if there's a space there, or a huge space, it hurts her hips. So she's just going to adjust the seat and see if she can get comfortable. Otherwise it's deal breaker right from the off. Should be fine.
That leg flat on the...
Yeah.
They have my boots on.
There is a downside to it. It's a 2.9 diesel, which I don't mind it being a diesel, but with it being a 2.9, I would have hoped for at least a 6-speed gearbox, and it's only got a 5. But we're going to go and price up bits like rubber bushes and things like that, and we'll see how we go. But Venus, we're in Yorkshire. I'm just going to spin round. What a view. So there you have it. So tell me what you think. If you think I'm balmy, please tell me. But we're hoping there'll be an answer. But yeah, it's definitely been sat with all the cobwebs. Oh, another thing, I dropped the handbrake and the handbrake actually released. So that in itself's a good sign. But yeah, see you later.